Oh yeah, it has stuff. But first of all, let's show the before the after. Yeah. Baby, can you pray tonight? Baby, can you pray for us? Oh, baby, can you pray? 'Cause every time you make time, it's holy to the end. So pray tonight. So you won't our new home. For every run that we had, still running, I knew it. But I'll be ready every day. You know everything's alright. Are we gonna pray? Are you gonna pray tonight? Okay, come in, let's start it. So that was how we met the house, and let's take a look at what we have done and just a quick tour of this small cubicle. Okay, so where should we start from? Here on this space I met it with one small wardrobe, so I brought this in and redesigned the space, brought in a mirror and this realistic artificial plants here, and of course small plants, small succulent plants. As you all know, I'm a plants mom, I'm a sucker for plants. I love plants, and I decided to bring these two in, and a candle, and here a pampas grass that I brought in for decor, and here I brought some plants in, and my Alexa, what's the time?
It's 2:38 p.m.
Thank you, Alexa. The bed, completely redesigned the bed space. And for DIY, I printed these pictures and used them to make this head design. And this is the close view of the line decor. I took time to select them carefully, select them, and I love how it turned out. And of course some artificial plants for the rescue. Yeah, I'm a plant mom, so I decided to bring in some plants to touch my head there. And yeah, here we have my babies, and if you look at the concept of the room, it's supposed to just be neutral colors and plants, so that's why I'm using brown and some plants and some white bedspread for the rescue. And this side, this window side, I don't know if reflection will allow me, but I have loads of plants there. Yeah, and inside the wardrobe, not so good looking, not arranged at all. But like I do it, I use up here for denims, and here for coats, and here for easy wear. I'm beginning to bring winter jackets out already because it's freaking cold outside right now, and we're in the winter period. So basically all my clothing and stuff are here, including bags and everything. So I love the room because the wardrobe is big. It can contain most of the things that I have, and my room won't be scattered with clothes everywhere. So the wardrobe is doing a good job, and I love it. And then to this side, I have this artificial plants that I have before, and then I decided to decorate it and just stand it here instead of just having the shoe rack here. Here, I didn't want the wall to just be empty, so I decided to buy this. I bought this on Amazon for some few pounds and decided to put in some plants. I don't know what happened to my spider plant. Plant mom just lost a daughter. It's so painful. I lost my plant. I don't know, but I hope to be able to propagate one soon, because the one I have over there is already having spider babies, so I should be able to propagate another spider plant inside this. It was so painful to lose one of my babies. And here, breakfast table. I have my bread, anything breakfast and food. I always love to put them here, including cups, sugar, and tea bags. Anything breakfast, I just put them here, and food that I don't want to leave in the kitchen. And the floor, I just decided to bring in this foot mat and this to some for some fluffiness, leg for fluffiness and visual aesthetics, because the original rug here is not too good. It's not. So I prefer to sit on this than the original rug here, which has, I know it has had so many tenants come and gone, so it's somehow not just okay. So with this, I'm able to sit on the floor. And of course, I have other stuff stuffed under the bed to minimize and have space. So basically, this is what I did with the floor. And yeah, I also brought in this. Yeah, this was supposed to be a table, but I was unable to fix it because some of the vital parts of the table had been lost, so I decided to convert it into this. Yeah, for some visual aesthetics, and I love it like that, so that it takes most part of the place that the rug is supposed to be visible. Yeah, so basically this is what the floor looks like. So let's show the toilet and see what the toilet is like. And to my favorite part of the accommodation, my bathroom and toilet. I love this space. So I love this space. It is very big. I love it. I can stretch my hand, I can stretch my arm. It is not a cubicle. I decided to put in one or two things to beautify it, to give me that pleasure. So I have this, it's an artificial plant here that gives me that greenness that I love. I have this pampas grass as well, and I have this makeup mirror that I love as well. Underneath here I have some stuff like makeup and everything. Here I also have everything, body cream and all of that, soap. Here I have my hairnet and every other stuff I need. And here I have everything: hair cream, gel, shea butter, hairspray, everything here is here, comb and all. And of course, my big bathroom. Yes, and this is my bathroom. Yeah, it's quite big, which I really, really love, but not too new, so but it's still okay. Just at the front of the bathroom, I have this laundry basket where I keep my homeware basically and some dirty clothes. And to the other side, I created this place where I hang my towel, and on this rack I dry my clothes and hang my other towel basically. So on the ground I have a bucket and a bin which I use to dispose some stuff, yeah, some lady stuff as well. One thing I don't like about this house is that the lighting is bad. If you have been watching my videos as I move in here, you'd have known that I've complained. This is the umpteenth time I'm complaining. The lighting is so terrible, very, very, very terrible. I mean, the position of the window is not just okay. If the lighting was coming from this angle, it would have been better. The lighting is coming from here, and then I don't even know, like, it's not just littered enough. It's not littered enough because the lighting is coming from one window. Maybe if there were two windows, which is not going to be possible because of the position of the room. So I don't like the lighting at all, and in fact it's giving me weakness to make more YouTube videos, and it's part of the reason I've even delayed filming the house tour till this. Like, the motivation is not just there because of the terrible lighting, and now we're in the winter period in the UK and everywhere gets dark by 4 p.m, so it's bad. It's okay. So this is a space I've created for myself. It's what I love to do. Love to turn a place into a place that I really love and feel happy coming into whenever I'm coming from anywhere. So this is it, and I hope that you like it. So how much did I take the apartment? I paid £550 to secure this place. A whole lot of money. Yeah, 550 every month for this space to have a personal toilet to myself and all. It costs that. Yeah. So this is it, and I hope you enjoyed it.